Today we're firing up the grill here at Trail Appliance in Cloverdale, and we're cooking a real Canadian dinner. This is Napoleon Backyard Sessions at Trail Appliance. Hey guys, Kai here at Trail Appliance. I'm coming from the butcher today. I'm here with Napoleon Grills. Today we are cooking a pork shoulder, a boned out picnic. And the way I do it on the grill is I season it well, I char it on the grill, and then I braise it on the grill, because that is how versatile Napoleon barbecue can be. I love poutine. Nothing is more heartwarming than a good poutine on a cold day or a summery day. How are we gonna cook the fries? Well, in this little pot right here, I have oil or tallow going actually. And what's great about this barbecue and the size of it is not only can I grill, but I can also have pots going on. If that's sauces, if that's oil to deep fry. So I've had the opportunity of working in many different places throughout my career, from being an executive chef to a sausage maker to whole animal butcher. Sometimes it can become too complicated with trying to pull from all those skill sets to make a dinner. So a lot of the time it's just about good meat, good seasoning, and good people. Potatoes, deep frying, barbecuing, sounds a little daunting. It really isn't. I find with poutine, it's not about the crunch on the fry, it's about all the condiments with it, the sauce, the meat, the cheese. You're looking at about 12 to 15 minutes. This is a great time to close your barbecue and have a nice cold drink with your guests. What I enjoy most about firing up the grill in the summer is the aromas. You know a barbecue's happening just by the smell alone. My French fries are going away, but what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of gravy directly on to my pulled pork. It just makes sure that when you are serving it up, it doesn't get dry, and it's just delicious this way. These are now ready to come out. So I got some nice color on them. They're nice and crispy. This is exactly what I'm looking for. This isn't store-bought French fries. This is Canadian grown potatoes right here from the Fraser Valley that we're frying up in beef tallow. What I have created here on the beautiful grill behind me is a barbecue poutine with pulled pork and a pulled pork gravy, finished with green onions. And don't forget, we fried these potatoes, these French fries, on the grill. Now tell me you don't want to serve this at your next barbecue. Discover Napoleon at Trail Appliances.